Hello everyone, this is PaperFlight. I'm Ryan. This is my design CR9, and it has excellent gliding capacities, though I didn't have much time to try it out because it started raining after just a few throws. The center of gravity for this plane is also more at the front, just like my CR8, so it can withstand wind. For this one you'll need an about 80 GSM A4 paper, a pen and a ruler. Okay, let's start folding. First step, fold the paper in half. Then fold the both two corners to the middle line. Unfold all the steps and then fold the paper in half again horizontally. Unfold again and then fold it like this. Form this triangle that the two corners touches the middle crease and then the horizontal crease. The same goes to the other side. You can see the two creases here, so fold these to the middle. You will find a pointed corner at the bottom. Fold this up to the intersection here. This is to move the center of gravity at the front. Fold this part up to the horizontal crease. Then fold this part up again. Fold the paper in half, and now we are going to make our wings. For the wings, use a ruler to measure about 6.5 centimeters. Form this fold from the top to the 6.5 centimeters point. Fold the same with the other side. Open it up, and then we will create the locking plug mechanism. Just fold this part along the crease here. Now you can fold inwards and then tuck the extra bit here into the pocket. This will lock the paper plane together, also strengthening its wings. Now it's time to fold the wings. For the wings, I would recommend measuring 4.5 centimeters here. Fold from a little bit above the nose of the paper plane to this 4.5 centimeters point. The same is for the other side. Adjust the plane. After this, we will start using tape. Take out your tape. The taping method here is just as my other videos. First, tape the nose of the paper plane. I bought this kind of tape that's designed for paper planes. It's lighter, more smooth, so it's more aerodynamic in the air, though it's quite expensive. Then tape the back of the paper plane where the paper layers meet. You can use either double-sided tape or usual tape. After that, turn it to the front. There's 3 parts at the front you need to tape. One is here, this position near the nose of the paper plane. One is here at the intersection. And one is at the back. You can also put a piece of tape here at the wind duct. Now this plane is finished. It's designed to have a strong wing because it has a very good reinforcement of the paper layers near the edge of the wing. Before flying, remember to adjust this part, bend it a little bit upward so it provides lift. Also, add elevators like this, bend the paper pieces up. The CR9 paper airplane is complete. Happy flying this plane. When throwing it, remember to throw it at the front and a bit up. Please subscribe to help me gain 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. This is PaperFlight and I'm Ryan, wishing to see you next time for another original paper airplane tutorial.